Hi, and welcome to the Inside District. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the auto drop and auto raise issue that you may have when you've disconnected your battery or unplugged the window control unit. So what some people may face is when they press the auto down, it doesn't go all the way down. So what you want to do is, when it's all the way in the up position, put your car with the ignition on and hold your finger down on the button and keep holding it there for about 10 seconds or so. Once you've done this, you'll hear a slight click in the inside the door. Then what you want to do is raise it all the way and hold it there for about 10 seconds and you'll hear a click. Then once you've done that, it should reset the window setting, and you should be able to press the window down once all the way, and it should reset your windows. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great videos to come. Thank you for watching.